Hello viewers, today we are going to learn about webmasters. So all you need to do is to type search console on Google search and you will see the first link as Google search console. So once you see that, click on start now if you are going to start with a new website, or else if you already have a website or it is already configured, you can directly enter it to the dashboard. And if you have a new website, you can add a property and you just need to type your domain name and then submit it. And after that, it will ask you to verify your domain, which you can do it through your hosting panel. All right. And after that, it will take a couple of days to reflect all your performances. So over here, I'm going to explain you about the performance dashboard at this point of time. In this performance dashboard, you can see the total number of clicks and total number of impressions by default. Average CTR and average position are our additional optional assets. So total number of clicks means you are going to see how many people have searched for your website and clicked on your website and they have reached on your website. So that is the count of total clicks. And this is for the total last 3 months. And here impressions means the total number of people have searched for your content but they didn't come on your page. Out of this 7,950 people, only 377 members they have reached on your website. This is what it is meant for. And in order to make total number of 7,950 people to reach on your website, you need to start improving on page content of your website and increase the position of your website. You mean, bring the position to the top in Google Search Console. And after that, automatically the number of clicks will also get increased. So let me show you one more thing. Here on Google search, you can search for any content, something like mobile phone or Samsung, whatever it is. And in case if you have had any website, you can see it in these listings. Okay, every single link is one of the listing. And if it is talking about positions, if you see the position count is like 24.8, it means we are in 24th position. 24 or 25 is toggling between that point, that particular numbers. Okay, so for every link, see, this is basically an average position, 24.8. It depends on total number of links. See, the total number of pages what we have is different, and total number of this average position is different. So here you can clearly see for every page what is the count of clicks and what is the count of impressions as well as what is the count of position. See, here you can see the position number is 4.7, right? And here 3.7, and you can see many other positions are below 10 and maybe below 5 itself. We can also sort this number. Basically we can also sort this listing because we have around 263 results over here. So there is an option to sort the position. So when you sort it, it may appear as descending or even as an ascending, and ascending is like very good, you are in top 5 here. So if you can increase the count to appear more, let me make it like 50. You can see most of these links 25, yeah, most of these links are below 5. The position is below 5, and if I count more than 50, it is also below 10 only. Nearly up to 50 of our links are less than 10 position. Okay, so see, basically each and every link is like a different page. You can also go ahead and do the submissions for more content and you will get a new link on your website. So the same thing we are going to explain you, and here in webmaster's dashboard you can also see different features. Okay, something like links and something like sitemaps. And yes, on this sitemaps we are going to submit the total sitemap of our website. You see this XML file. Okay, this XML file will store all the data of your website. See, in my web page, this XML file has about 279 links, And if you can open this XML file, you can see the entire list over here. Okay, it means we have so many number of pages on our website, and we see each and every link is like a different page itself. So let me show you something. Okay, let me go ahead and show you, because it is recently updated, 6th August 2024, which is the recent date, like yesterday. And let me open one of the page and show you clearly. So if you open any link, I just want to make sure that it appears like a page itself, web page itself. Okay, so this is our web page. This is basically a blog what I'm showing you. It has all those images and content, titles, links, videos, and many images, everything. Okay, so this web page has been submitted to Google through sitemap. And what we are going to do is to check for the performance of this particular page and improve its positions to get more visitors on our pages. And apart from these sitemaps, we can also see the other features that are provided by this Google Search Console. We have something like experience. And here, see, I'm showing you this sitemap again and again because I just want to make sure you understand what is meant by a sitemap. Okay, because see, sitemap is a crucial thing. If you don't submit a sitemap to Google, it will take something on its own in a long run, but it won't take it immediately. For that reason, we have to submit those sitemaps manually. Okay, we can create any number of sitemaps. There is no such limit, but most just avoid making duplicates. Make it like for different categories. Let us not resubmit the same kind of sitemap on again another XML file. Okay, so see, basically this performance, as I have explained you. See, this dashboard shows you the queries, which means the type of search keywords that they are using, and what number of clicks have they got, and impressions what they got. Certainly the impressions will be higher than the number of clicks. Okay, because see, total number of impressions may be more, clicks may be zero. Why? Because the positions are nowhere. Okay, if the position was good, you will definitely get a click. Okay, and see, let me show you something like a difference between a query, a keyword. Okay, because some users might search with a number of words, and this is like single user. They have searched like this, something in a unique way, their own way that they search, and Google will record everything. Okay, because this will start recording this kind of data for you only when you submit your sitemap and confirm you that you are the owner of this website. And see, you can see the number of pages that are appearing over here, and you can see the positions as I've said, and query, clicks and impressions is by default. I'm telling you again and again, positions is optional. I mean, like, it is viewable. Only thing is like you need to enable it. Okay, and the graph is like this. It will help you out to understand whether the date graph is falling down or increasing. Increasing graph, exponential graph is like, it is an improvement for you. And let me show you what is meant by URL inspection. If we search for any link on URL inspection tool, we will get to see whether this link is already indexed in Google or not. Okay, so if it is indexed, it will show you like this with green tick. And then we can click on pages, and it will show you the number of pages are already indexed in Google. Okay, and you can also see the number of links that are not getting indexed. There may be some issues for the links which are not getting indexed, and we can basically we can enable this. See, it is already enabled, and then we can see the reasons in the bottom line. You can see there are multiple reasons for which they are not getting indexed by Google. So as a webmaster, it is your duty to understand and sort all these issues. Okay, page with redirect, and something says 404 robots issue, something is blocked by robots, there is some no index tag, xyz things are there. Well, we will help you out in understanding all these things. And then see here in indexing there is something called video pages. Okay, and here it says there were three video pages wherein which the videos are not appeared as a main content on the page, and hence they were not indexed by Google. Okay, so let us ignore about video pages. Now let me show you something called removals. What is removal tool? Removal tool is like, yeah, here it is clearly mentioned, like, outdated content and temporary removals. Say for example, if you have a website wherein which you want to get rid of some content, okay, outdated link, you can submit it here. And we also have something called experience in Google Search Console, and this experience has no data, but it says somewhere it is good only. So don't worry about this, because this website vitals. See, let me see. This URL inspection tool is like anywhere, it is like a shortcut only. Okay, but just don't get confused. In the top of this bar, you can see this URL search console inspecting element, that is default. And here in page experience, we can see the security certificate and everything is good, and website vitals. We'll learn about website vitals. What exactly is this? Basically, we don't have enough data to show up. Okay, it is not displaying any kind of data, but it says something is related to mobile and desktop. And when you open this kind of report, and you can see there is something called page speed insights. Okay, so here it says whether your website is loading in a faster way or not. For mobile as well as for desktop, it will show you the timing, how much is it taking. So this is a crucial thing for any website, technicalities, and it can also be considered as a technical SEO. Okay, because you need to hand it over to the developer and he will work and sort out those issues. And here comes HTTPS. This is a secure layer of your website. Whether it has been secured and do you have any unsecured links on your website, it will let you know. Okay, for example, if you would have hyperlinked any URL which is not secured, it can notify you on their dashboard. So like this, we can also look into this breadcrumbs. On the left hand side, you can see something called as breadcrumbs, right? It is under enhancements, and inside these breadcrumbs we have valid items and invalid items as well. And this valid items will show you like number of pages are good enough with breadcrumbs. Basically, let me show you what is meant by a breadcrumb. It is basically a navigation part of your website, and very unfortunately for this website we actually don't have a navigation part. Okay, that is for breadcrumbs. We need to enable it. Okay, you can see only the author name and the date when it is published, but we can include a navigation part on a website. It is basically an optional feature, and it is also important in terms of Google SEO. Okay, so let me do like this. I probably will show you another website as well. Give me a moment. Yes. See, I have another website. Let me open this and show you. Let me get into post over here. See, the top things are categories, on which category what kind of content has been published, and this is an article. Each and every category will have a number of articles, and I'm in a certain article here which says how to, whatever the background issue or something. And this particular post is a part of office category. Here it says, right? If I want to watch other articles from office category, I can click on this office link and I can see the other articles. Same way, in case if I want to check for another category, I can just need to swap it using the menu icon as per this website design. And once I click on this another category, I can get into another link, and the thing is getting changed on the top. You see this breadcrumbs, right? So this is all about breadcrumbs, and for this website we have certain issues because we don't have breadcrumbs for the one what we are dealing with, right? The previous one. So there were five issues. We will make it get it fixed in future. And there is something called site links search box. You see it here, right? So this site links search box is something like, it might give you a cumulative data, and again it is also calling you for, see, basically it says no issues. Okay, in case if we have any sort of invalid items in our pages in our dashboard, we will certainly have the details over here itself. no, for what reason this is invalid. We can read it, okay? But in terms of this site link search box, we don't have any issues, and I cannot explain you at this point of time. Okay, so whenever it comes, we can go through it and we can read and understand. So the same way, we also have a few things like manual actions, and no issues are detected, so we don't have to worry. And we also have security issues, nothing got detected. And we also have links wherein it talks about the external links, internal links, and what kind of pages are being linked. See, everything, if I tell you at a time, I'm sure you will get confused. See, this and all is a part of SEO. You will get into links. It is a long, it's an in-depth topic. It will take a long time for you to understand. So basically, as per first understanding, a link is a page. That thing you remember. Rest of the things will be taken care in future classes, further classes. Okay. And basically, this is an overview of your Google Search Console. And here comes performance dashboard and indexing and experience. Everything is on the same page, just because this is an overview dashboard. Okay, but in detail, if you want to understand, you have to individually enter into that particular section. Okay, so let me take you back again to this performance section. Maybe when we click on this performance dashboard once again, it will show you the same old data what I have explained you. Okay, so in this manner, we are going to work on Google Search Console. It is a lengthy topic and it will take time for you people to understand. So it's actually challenging to deal with technical results, and we need to resolve each and every issue to get your website to top in Google Search Console. All right. So this is all for today's class, and please follow. If you are not following this channel, please follow our channel, and we will make sure that you will get more knowledge of our website SEO. All right. Thank you.